Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to review how to add, um, how to configure your spray rig with additional booms and flow sensors. And so your SprayLogger box, if you have a 2017 or later model, newer model, you have the ability to add additional ports where you can map to your SprayLogger box what booms are turning on and turning off to give you the ability to map to my right 10-foot boom, my left 10-foot boom, whatever the case may be. And so I can go into the SprayLogger main homepage, administration, equipment, and then spray rigs. From here, I have all my rigs. I'm going to narrow this list down, and I'm going to use my ATV truck. So from here, I can hit configure sections and booms. So I need to add a new one. And what's my friendly name on this particular boom? I'm going to say this is my center. Orientation is center. How wide is my boom here? Or sorry, how wide is my spray rig? Now I'm using an ATV, so it's not 10 feet wide. In this case, it's going to be 5 feet wide. And then what's the spray width? How wide is my spray pattern? And so I've got a 15-foot spray pattern. And then do I have any offset on this? In this case, I don't. I'm just spraying down the center, so I'm good. Now to my flow sensor. Depending on what flow sensor I have selected, I can see, do I want to map this to my flow sensor or to my boom? I'm going to map this to boom channel 11. And these numbers will be engraved on your box, and so you'll be able to see what cable goes to what boom. Now that's if I'm doing a flow sensor. If I'm doing a switch, in this case I'm going to do channel 1. So I'm going to map this directly to flow switch 1 and screw it into channel 1 on my box, and then hit save. So now I have that center boom set up, center orientation, 0 offset, and here's my spray rig. I'm going to go ahead and add another one, and I'm just going to say right. So this is to my right. Again, my spray rig is 5 feet wide. My spray pattern here on the right is 10 feet wide. And I do have an offset of 1 foot. And this is automated by my switch and channel number 2. And again, these numbers are engraved on your box. So let's go ahead and hit save. And then let's do one more. We'll do my left boom. And this will go to switch 3. So now I have all my booms set up, center, left, and right. And I can continue to add as many of these as I want, and I can even make the names different. Like if I have a right 10-foot boom, I can do right 10, right 20, whatever the case may be. It's completely up to you. This gives you the ability to go in and have these mapped to specific channels on your box so that as you spray out of, say, my right 10-foot boom, on my map, it will do that. It'll show a 10-foot polygon to the right-hand side of my truck, in this case with a 1-foot offset. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to configure your spray rig to map accordingly with booms and flow sensors.